Hello everyone, welcome to my channel My SEO Guru. Today in this video we will discuss about SEO keywords. Okay, so let's start with what are SEO keywords. Actually, keywords are the search terms or key phrase that we search or we enter in search engines. Like if we want to search how to make a cake, how to make a cake. Here, how to make a cake is the search term. Okay, and cake is our main target, so here cake is the main keyword or primary keyword. In this search result, we can also check some other keywords, or we can get some other related keywords. Like here we can see how to make a simple cake at home, how to make a cake without oven, how to make a cake in Minecraft. Okay, also at the below section of the search result, here also you can get more related keywords, how to make a cake step by step, cake recipes for beginners. All these are the search terms. Okay, so let's discuss about why these keywords are very much important. If we are running a business with cake recipe, or we are selling our cakes, then we need a website and we have to rank that website in Google's search engine's first page or second page. We need particular traffic to our website, so that users can get our website, users can see our website and they can buy from there. Okay, for this reason SEO keywords are more important. We have to input our keywords in the web pages. Like if I open this page, we can see there is a heading basic, sorry, here is a heading basic chocolate cake. Okay, here cake is the main keyword, and chocolate cake, basic chocolate cake, this is also a search term. Direction section, so many words related to cake. This will help us to rank our website in search engine. The main thing is that SEO is completely impossible without any keywords. If we are running any business or doing selling any service, we have to search a particular keyword, or we have to search particular niche in which we are going to rank our website. That we have to do some lots works for getting a better rank. First of all, for better ranking for our website, we have to do research with some keywords. We have to search a particular keyword and have to generate some long tail keywords. Now keywords research. There are so many tools that provides free keyword research services. WordStream, here you have to target keyword that you have to choose country. Here you have to enter your targeted keyword then you have to choose industry, and then you have to enter country. This is optional. Okay, I'm giving targeted keyword is cake and choosing the industry food and drink. Country, as it is optional, I am not giving anything. From this search result you can get the search volume of a particular keyword and the CPC rate and the competition volume, high, low or medium. Okay, here is a keyword cake box. The search volume is 9,900 and CPC rate is $0.02 and competition is low. Now we have to select some keywords in which we are going to target. Small cakes, search volume is better, and cake shops near me. For this keyword the search volume is above 2 lakh and competition is high. Okay, at first we have to choose a particular keyword. I am selecting this one, cake box. Now we have to generate long tail keyword. Just doing the copy paste in Google search engine, then we will get more suggestions like cake box India, cake box price, cake box packaging, cake box and base, cake box manufacturers near me, cake box manufacturer, cheapest cake boxes online, cake boxes online wholesale. These are the long tail keywords. Actually our main target is to rank in the keyword cake. For this reason we have to choose, or we have to select, or we have to do the SEO using some long tail keywords where the cake word is mentioned. Okay, so that will be better because of in that long tail keywords we will get ranking, we will get traffic, and this will generate the traffic, this will generate the main impression for the main targeted keyword, that is cake. By this process we will get ranked in a particular keyword in a particular search engine. Also we have to do one thing, that is we have to check the search volume and the competition level. Always we have to target with the low competition keyword, and after that they automatically they will grow to the medium competition level and they will go to the high competition level. Thank you for watching the video. If you like, kindly share the video and subscribe our channel.